Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming muscle cars that has been making waves in the automotive community, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454. This name alone sparks nostalgia for car lovers, as the Nova has always been a symbol of raw American power and classic style. Now Chevrolet is bringing it back, and the 2026 model promises to blend that old-school muscle car spirit with modern engineering and technology in a way we've never seen before. The first thing that grabs your attention is the heart of this beast, a massive 454 cubic inch V8 engine. Yes, Chevrolet is going big, staying true to the muscle car tradition by giving us pure displacement and monstrous power. Early reports suggest the Nova 454 will push well over 600 horsepower, with torque figures that will make you feel like you're being pulled by a jet engine. Whether you're on the drag strip or cruising on the highway, the acceleration will be nothing short of breathtaking. The exhaust note is expected to be deep, aggressive, and unapologetically loud, exactly what muscle car enthusiasts want. In terms of design, Chevrolet seems to be going for a perfect balance between retro inspiration and futuristic touches. The 2026 Nova will likely feature a wide, aggressive stance, muscular fenders, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern edge while still paying homage to its classic 70s predecessors. Expect bold color options, racing stripes, and performance-oriented aerodynamics that aren't just for show. They'll help with downforce and stability at high speeds. The rear end might feature quad-tail lights, another nod to its heritage, paired with a sporty rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips that mean business inside the cabin. The Nova 454 will embrace modern luxury without losing that driver-focused, performance-first feel. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and an advanced digital display will bring it up to modern standards. Chevrolet will likely include all the latest tech, a high-definition infotainment system, customizable driving modes, advanced traction control, and performance telemetry so you can track your quarter-mile times or lap speeds. But unlike some modern cars that feel more like computers than vehicles, the Nova 454 will aim to keep that raw, mechanical connection between the driver and the road. Performance-wise, we can expect rear-wheel drive to stay standard, paired with a choice between a traditional 6-speed manual transmission for purists and a lightning-fast automatic for those who want maximum performance without worrying about gear changes. The suspension will be track-tuned but still comfortable enough for daily driving, making it a versatile muscle machine. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's Chevrolet telling the world that the muscle car era is far from over. For enthusiasts who grew up dreaming of classic Novas, and for a new generation just discovering the thrill of big V8 power, this car is going to be something truly special. If you're a fan of speed, style, and the kind of power that makes your heart race, the Nova 454 is one to watch. This isn't just a revival, it's a rebirth of an icon, built for the future, but with a soul that belongs to the golden age of American muscle.